today what we're doing is we're testing one of our pieces of equipment, and the piece of equipment is going to get tested to what's called MIL-S-901 shock testing. And what they do is they take our equipment, they mount it on a barge, and then once they're ready, they set off a charge, and the charge, when it explodes, it creates a shock wave, and that shock wave hits the barge. Once that shock wave hits the barge, it impacts a bunch of energy into our piece of equipment, and our equipment has to survive that while it's running in order for the test to be considered successful.
This equipment is installed into a ship. Sometimes they're installed on a hull or a deck. In this simulation, it'll be a deck-mounted configuration. The platform is set up and the fixture is set up to simulate the platform that will be installed on the ship. This pump is mission critical. It provides water to 4 equipment rooms. That water is dispersed through multiple nozzles to extinguish a fire. So this has to survive before, during, and after a shock event.
Marlowe is a defense contractor primarily. We have a little bit of commercial business as well, but the majority of our work is through the Department of Defense, primarily for the Navy. We develop a lot of new products for them, including this one. We have a lot of these out in the fleet already for the different applications, but most of the time we work with the Navy developing types of equipment, mostly heating, refrigeration, air conditioning, electronics cooling equipment, things like that. I know our designs are very robust and have passed this testing in the past. Personally, never witnessed it, and I've been told it's very dynamic, and the test itself is very extreme. So I'm excited to see our equipment survive under that condition.
So the whole point of this video was to help other engineers at the factory get to experience this as close as they can to the first time, and then also some of our customers, when we tell them that this is what a shock test is, you really can't put it into context until you see something like this and feel something like this. And then to stand up there and actually feel the whole shoreline shake and quiver when that explosion went off was just unbelievable, amazing.